So let's read the question. The question says, in which of the following species central atom is not surrounded by exactly 8 valence electrons? Okay. So these are the options and let's do the question. In the first option, it is boron tetrafluoride anion, where boron is sp3 hybridized and यहाँ पे the structure is tetrahedral. बच्चों यहाँ पे structure क्या है? Tetrahedral with one coordinate bond. ठीक है. बट यहाँ पे आपके नंबर ऑफ बॉन्ड पेयर कितने हुए अराउंड द सेंट्रल एटम? इट इज 4 बॉन्ड पेयर्स एंड देयरफॉर वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन अराउंड द सेंट्रल एटम इज 8. ठीक है. यहाँ पे आपका एग्जैक्टली 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर इन द सेंट्रल एटम. ठीक है. इन केस ऑफ नाइट्रोजन ट्राइक्लोराइड, here nitrogen is also sp3 hybridized and the structure is pyramidal. The structure is pyramidal. And if you see the total number of electrons around the central atom, here it is 3 bond pair. ठीक है. That is 3 into 2, 6 electron plus 1 lone pair. So here also there are 8 electrons around the central atom. In case of PCl4 plus, ठीक है, here the phosphorus is the central atom. It is also sp3 hybridized and it is tetrahedral structure. यहाँ पे structure क्या है? It is tetrahedral. ठीक है बच्चों. And there are also 4 bond pairs around the central atom and electrons are 4 into 2. That is 8 electrons around the central atom. That is your phosphorus. यहाँ पे central atom क्या है? It is phosphorus. In case of sulfur tetrafluoride, here the central atom is sulfur and the hybridization here is sp3t. ठीक है. So बच्चों, if you see the structure, it has a seesaw structure. ठीक है. The geometry is trigonal bipyramidal and the shape is seesaw shape. ठीक है. So बच्चों, if the central atom is sulfur, यहाँ पे आपका 1 2 3 4 bond pairs, so it is 8 electrons plus 1 lone pair, so 2 electrons from the lone pair. So total number of electrons here is 10. So बच्चों, in case of SF4, the central atom is having 10 electrons. ठीक है. So the species which is not surrounded by exactly 8 valence electron is your sulfur tetrafluoride. The correct option is D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.